Hi, my name is Ben. I am a Siemens apprentice, currently in the 4th year of the apprenticeship. I've just come back from Lyon in France, where I competed in WorldSkills Mechatronics, achieving a medallion of excellence. So to get to that position, I began my journey doing a level 3 extended diploma in electronic and electrical engineering at Wigan and Leigh College. I then went to Tameside College to do my level 4 and level 5 in electrical and electronic engineering, achieving a distinction. And then I'm now doing my top-up course, which is level 6 in Salford University, doing control and automation engineering.
Hi, my name is Evie and I'm an automation and controls degree apprentice working with Amazon on the Siemens apprenticeship programme. Being a HE learner at Tameside College has really allowed me to see the practical and theoretical side of being an engineer. Whereas if I went straight to uni, I would only be exposed to the theoretical side, where I feel like I wouldn't have got the most from my learning experience.
I think being in industry while learning has been invaluable in terms of providing those soft skills, leadership skills, communication skills. And I think now when I go into industry at the end of my apprenticeship, I'll just be a natural. I'll already have been in that environment for 4 years. Yeah, I think I'll be really well prepared for my career to come.
We've been a supplier partner to Tameside College Engineering Department for some time with the provision of learning systems in fluid power and PLC training. When the IoT came along, that extra funding enabled them to invest in additional equipment for Industry 4 and also to top up what they already had. So in terms of a setup, it's now a comprehensive facility that covers from the very basics of automation, mechatronics into PLC programming, robotics, conventional production lines, and also ending up with Industry 4. The result, you can see that obviously this year the Team UK in mechatronics were ex-Tameside College apprentices. That shows obviously the degree to which the training is done and also the exposure they get to the equipment.
Every week we get to have a meeting with our partnership team at Siemens. They've really helped me every single week and have allowed me to learn about British values, safety and safeguarding within the workplace environment. This allows me to have a support network where I feel encouraged and willing to learn about how to integrate myself into the workplace. I find it really helpful to have that support network there.